Whether you're upgrading your kitchen, organizing your space, or staying cool on the go, smart tools can make daily life smoother and more enjoyable. We've rounded up a collection of Amazon finds that offer clever design, modern convenience, and real-world practicality. From compact appliances to outdoor gear, these products have earned a spot in our top picks because they actually make life easier, not just flashier. Here's a closer look at some of our favorites. 1. This electric citrus juicer makes fresh juice effortless with a single touch. Its rechargeable design squeezes up to 50 fruits per charge and works on everything from lemons to grapefruits. With quiet operation, BPA-free parts, and easy cleanup, it's a modern must-have for juice lovers. 2. Maximize your underbed space with this 65-liter storage duo. Each container rolls easily, includes adjustable dividers, and fits neatly under beds or sofas. Built with sturdy fabric and metal frames, they hold up to 65 pounds. Ideal for storing off-season clothes, books, or bedding. 3. These clear borosilicate saucepans are perfect for everyday cooking like pasta, soups, or baby food. They're microwave and dishwasher safe, resist staining, and distribute heat evenly, making them a healthier, stylish alternative to traditional metal cookware. 4. Make fresh pasta at home in under 20 minutes with this compact Philips noodle maker. It kneads and extrudes your favorite spaghetti, penne, or fettuccine using 3 included discs. Just add flour, press a button, and enjoy homemade pasta with ease. 5. Stay cool without lifting a finger using this wearable neck fan. With 6-speed settings, 360-degree airflow, and up to 30 hours of runtime, it's perfect for work, travel, or outdoor adventures. The ergonomic design keeps you hands-free and refreshed on the go. 6. This touchless paper towel dispenser offers convenience when your hands are full. It dispenses single or half sheets automatically, retracts unused portions to stay clean, and works with most standard paper towels. Just load, press, and go. 7. Filter out 99.9% of contaminants, including lead, PFS, and chlorine, with this 10-cup Culligan pitcher. Its 5-stage filter and included TDS tester ensure cleaner water and less plastic waste. Sleek and compact, it's fridge-friendly and easy to use. 8. This stainless steel gardening tool set includes everything from trowels to pruning shears, all packed in a sturdy Oxford cloth tote. Comfortable non-slip handles and durable blades make planting, weeding, and digging both efficient and enjoyable. 9. Level up your BBQ game with this stainless steel grill basket set. Its innovative side opening latch makes loading food easier, while the rotating design ensures even cooking. Great for veggies, seafood, and more. An excellent gift for any grill lover. 10. Declutter with this 2-in-1 bamboo bag holder that organizes both grocery and trash bags. Wall mountable and spacious, It saves room while adding a natural touch to your kitchen or laundry area. Easy to install and built to last. 11. No more bending spoons in hard ice cream. This rechargeable heated scoop warms to 158 degrees Fahrenheit for effortless serving. It starts heating when you grip the handle and includes a LED display for power and temperature. Smart, safe, and seriously handy. 12. This cordless Ninja Blast blender is built for blending on the go. With 3 preset programs and a detachable 22-ounce vessel, it crushes ice and smoothies with ease. Lightweight, leak-proof, and USB rechargeable. It's your new portable power tool. 13. This sleek touchscreen toaster brings precision to breakfast. Choose from 6 bread types and shades, and watch the countdown timer do the rest. With sound alerts, a removable crumb tray, and extra wide slots, it's smart toasting made simple. Whether you're simplifying your morning routine, optimizing your storage, or just looking for clever gadgets that save time, each of these finds offers something genuinely useful. No fluff, just functional design that works in real life. Happy shopping and enjoy the little upgrades that make a big difference.